Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's change out this cabin air filter. I've got a 2013 Toyota Sequoia. This will also be the exact same for any of the Generation 2 Sequoias, also the Generation 2 Tundras. Step one, passenger side, the glove box. We got to take all this stuff out. Just like magic, it's cleared out. Check it out. We're going to pull up on this little piece here. And then over here, same thing, little tab. We need to go up. There we go. Pull this guy out of here. Oh, we got a couple things left in here. I suppose stay. Next, this piece here slides up, and then we can remove it. It just kind of pops up. This one's already kind of loose for me. You could stick a little screwdriver in there. You could probably just get it with your hands, though. There we go. All right, you can kind of see how that goes together. Pretty easy. Next, we have this little cover for the actual filter. It's got a tab on this side that we just need to pull in. And then again, another one on this side. Just kind of pull it in there. And this piece comes off just like that. Shows you an upside to that too. And there we have it. There's our filter. Hey, it's nice to take note of the filter. As long as it was put in correctly, you can see that this little arrow should be pointed down. So the airflow is going to go in a downward direction. And we'll know it's that way because we'll see some dirt, maybe a leaf or two on the top of this filter. Let's take a look. Yeah, there you go. So that'll be the dirty side. Here's the clean side here. This one's not terribly dirty, but if you look in between these, see all that stuff? Without this filter, all that is going to be put into the actual vehicle, and you're going to be breathing that. So it's time. So there's our old one. Here's our new one here. And by the way, this is OEM from the actual dealership. There's the actual part number if you want to take a look. Also, I'll put this one and another comparable one in the description down below if you want to save a few bucks. Otherwise, you can go to the dealer. These cost about 30 bucks or so from the dealer, and you get about half that price over on Amazon, something like that. All right, now this one's interesting. It says up. So we are going to put it in this up direction here. It doesn't say airflow. It just says up. There we go. Simple as that. And again, I feel like it's a little bit confusing. Those arrows saying up. This one over here said airflow, and you see the airflow arrow pointing down right here. It's a little bit confusing on that. Make sure you're paying attention to it. But the air in this is going to go from the top to the bottom. But again, this one says up, so we'll do as it says. All right, now we just got to put everything back together. So let's put this cover on, and again, it has an up direction here. And this is just going to pop into those two spots. There we go. Clicks in nicely. Here's our next piece. Again, it says slide up to remove it. So we're going to kind of up and then push it down a little bit with it. And then there. Let's see if we can get it to go down a little bit. Perfect. Went into place really nicely. And then you can see here's our hole right here. And our other two holes here and here for this next little piece. This is just like a little organizer. Nice to have though. Let's see, so that piece just goes right in there. These two little pieces will just go right into those. Perfect, we're all set to go. There's that dirty one again. You can see it is pretty dirty compared to that clean backside. Hey friends, hope today's video helped you out. If it did, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.